So Uniform Civil Code is DPSP. So answer is B. And as per Article 16, no citizen shall, on the grounds of dash any of them, be ineligible for discriminated against in respect any employment, office, or the state under the state. So the answer is religion, race, caste, descent, place of birth, residence. So no one shall be discriminated for employment on race, caste, the sex, descent, place of birth, residence, and religion. So they can't say you are a Hindu or Muslim, I can't give you work. You are from African American, belong to some caste, or you belong to that caste and all. And the sexual identification. Some can identify themselves as female. Just because of female, you can't be deprived out of your right of getting your employment. And just because of place of birth, you were born in Mumbai, you are born in home, you are born in hospital, you are born in some local area, you are born in somewhere. So that because of that. And residence, so we can remember as RRCSD PR. In that mnemonym, we can remember it. And then minimum number of judges who sit for the purpose of deciding any case involving substantial question of law. The minimum number of judges who are to sit in purpose of deciding substantial question of law. So substantial question of law is when the answers are yet to be found. For an example, a new case which has not seen the court yet, but there are so many questions to decide. For an example, we can say Union Carbide related, Bhopal gas tragedy related case. So those had substantial question of law. So Article 143 says minimum of 5 members should be sitting as a constitutional bench. So the constitutional bench is 5. So 5 members should sit together to decide any substantial question of law in Supreme Court. And according to Article 300A, the Constitution of India, no dash shall be deprived of his property. So 300A is in constitutional amendment. It previously this property right to property has been as a fundamental right. Then it has changed as a constitutional right by moving it to Article 3.